Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to help you get your most recent I94, which is one of the requirements on getting a 10 green card visa. So that's by simply going to i94.cbp.dhs.gov, and that's their official website. Then, if you don't have I94 yet, then you can apply new by clicking on this apply for new I94. But again, we are getting the most recent I94 since we already have this when we enter United States. So you can just simply read all this and click I acknowledge and agree. So once you click that, it will bring you on this page. You just have to enter all the information: first, last name, birth date, passport number, and passport country of issuance. So for me, I'm from the Philippines. So you have to click Philippines. There's a lot of options, of course. So wherever you're from, you can just click that. And for the passport number, and yeah, by the way, on my end, since I got K1 visa. Before, when I entered the United States, I use Perez, that's my last name, and I put that on the last name here. They didn't recognize my husband's last name right now, so you just have to put your previous information or previous last name and click next. Once you hit next, it will give you the information that you need, and you can just print it. So I already printed the I94, which is one of the requirements of USCIS, and get the most recent one, or I mean print it out before you send the application, because one thing I noticed was there is an expiration date. If you will see the bottom of the page, you'll see expiration date. Since I printed it out right now, which is today, July 25th, the expiration date on my end is July 31st. July 31st. Yeah, I hope they'll receive it. So I'm going to send it priority mail. So before it expired, they will receive it. So that's it, guys. That's how you get your I94. Thank you for watching.